This is Taylor with Valleyscape. Just wanted to do a video about pipe repair. We see this quite often, and it causes a lot of issues. Just wanted you to be aware of it. If you're looking to repair a pipe that's broken, we really never ever recommend using these. These are called expansion couplings, so they'll actually spread out to fill in a gap, and then you can glue it in. The problem being that they're not really meant to be used on high pressure lines or static pressure lines where there's constant water pressure. It's okay to use them on lateral lines that only turn on when the sprinklers turn on, but in a situation like this, I had to come back and cut out the expansion joint. This is a much better alternative, just to do like a horseshoe shape with the 4 elbows. If you can fit the piping together somehow without the couplings and elbows, that's better, but in most cases you won't be able to. So in this situation, just took the elbows, put them on the pipe facing up, put 2 elbows on the new piece of pipe, and then pushed it down and glued it in. So that is a much better alternative to using the expansion couplings. In fact, we really rarely ever use them. This system of doing 4 elbows and a piece of pipe is much more long-term beneficial for you. So hope this helps you if you find yourself facing a broken pipe.